Hello everyone, today we are going to vectorize an image in Inkscape. As example, I will open example image. I will use this image. Click OK. Now if you zoom in, this image is looking bad in this Vectorize. So if you want to make vector with this image, first we need to tracking this image. I will use this tool, Bezier, and I will draw from this point to here. Okay, you can click again in here. Just creating for strike lines to tracking this image. Okay. Now I will change for stroke pen. You can click here and I will change into this color green. You also can change for width. We'll set into 2. And to edit these lines, you can use these tools, edit paths. So you only click at this path and move like this. We edit again in here. I will edit. Okay, it's very easy to tracking by using these tools, edit path. Click at these points and you can use this option to move. Okay, and also I will move in here. Now we create again at this point and in here. Okay, the next in here. Click this point and we edit path. Okay. You can edit step by step to create tracking into these objects. Okay. If you done, now I will click in fields and you can click this icon text to inactive for field. If you click, it will show for fields, like in here fields, and I will click here to show only for edge. Now we can draw in the center points with this tool, Bezier. You can click from this point to the top. Okay, move again, and the next click in there. Okay, you can set this color into white and click here and change into white, and then for the other this object stroke change into red. You can select these two objects and we move this object to the left like this. Now I will select at this edge and you can click fill. In here you can active the fill and we can set color into red. Next, for the second, select this object. We can set fill into white. Okay. Now if you zoom in, this object it will be automatically set into Vectorize. Okay. And the difference between this image, it will be looking bad in this vector. So that's it, how to vectorize an image in Inkscape. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.